If you love Korean barbecue at home, choosing the right grill setup makes all the difference. Today we are comparing the T-Chef Korean barbecue grill pan with Agni portable gas stove set against a popular alternative, the Iwatani 35 FW butane stove paired with the Aburi grill plate. Which one is better for home barbecue? Let's find out. The T-Chef set is all-in-one solution. You get non-stick Korean barbecue grill pan and the Agni portable gas stove designed to work perfectly together. No guesswork, no extra purchases. With Iwatani, you are buying two separate items, the powerful 35 FW butane stove and the Aburi grill plate. It's more modular but also more expensive upfront. Heat and cooking performance. The T-Chef Agni stove delivers around 11,500 BTUs, which is more than enough for tabletop Korean barbecue, great for bulgogi, samgyeopsal and vegetables. The Iwatani 35 FW pushes things further with up to 15,000 BTUs, meaning faster heat up and stronger searing. Ideal if you want restaurant-style browning, grill pan and cleanup. T-Chef's grill pan features non-stick coating and grease drain channels, helping reduce smoke and excess oil, perfect for indoor cooking. The Iwatani Aburi grill plate is also non-stick and dishwasher safe, but it's heavier and more industrial, leaning toward outdoor or high heat use. Safety, portability, and value. Both setups use magnetic butane locking systems and automatic shut-off features, but for value, T-Chef clearly wins. You are getting everything you need in one box at a low total cost. Final verdict. If you want a simple, affordable, and home-friendly Korean barbecue setup, go with the T-Chef. If you want maximum heat and a premium modular system, Iwatani is the upgrade pick. Which one would you choose for your BBQ nights? Let me know in the comments and don't forget to subscribe for more honest kitchen and gadget comparisons.